Yes, Pache, the next industry which we are going to talk about, that is aluminium smelting industry. Okay. Yes, Pache, it is the second most important metallurgical industry in India. It is used to manufacture aircrafts, utensils and wires. Bauxite. Okay. Bauxite is a raw material which is used in the smelters. Before this, let me tell you what is the meaning of smelting. Okay, smelting is the process of extracting aluminium from the ore. Okay, it is a process in which beta heat is provided to the aluminium ore. Okay, with this it got with this beta they extract the aluminium from that ore, and they use the bauxite. Which mineral? Bauxite in the smelter is the utensil in which they use to smelt the aluminium. Okay, they use the bauxite in the smelter. So aluminium smelting has gained the popularity as a substitute for steel, copper, zinc and the lead in many of the industries. Means it is used aluminium. Okay, aluminium is used in the place of steel, copper, zinc, lead. Okay, and there are some properties of the aluminium. Which are that properties? First one is it is light in weight. Okay, its weight is light as compared to the minerals I have told you before, that is the steel, copper, zinc. Next is corrosion free. Corrosion free, resistance to corrosion, that this aluminium do not get corrode easily. Good conductor of heat. Good conductor of heat, it carries heat very easily. Next is malleable. Malleable means it can be converted into any shape. Okay, like if we melt the aluminium and if we want to draw it into the shape of a wire, if we want to draw it in the shape of sheets, it can be easily malleable. Okay, it becomes strong when it get mixed, when it mixed with any other matter. Its bonds, okay, its holding capacity become more strong when any other metal got mixed with the aluminium. Okay, this was about the aluminium smelting. Next industry is the chemical industries. Next is the chemical industries. Chemical industries can be both beta large scale as well as a small scale manufacturing unit. Rapid growth has been recorded in both inorganic as well as the organic sectors also. Chemicals are organic, means in natural chemicals, as well as the inorganic sectors also. Like inorganic chemicals, like chemicals, let me tell you, inorganic examples are the sulfuric acid, soda ash. This must you have read in your chemistry. Okay, next is the caustic acid, caustic soda. These are the inorganic chemicals. And if we talk about the organic chemicals are the rubber, plastics, drugs, pharmaceuticals. Okay, these are the organic chemicals. Next industry which we are going to discuss about, that is the fertilizer industries. Fertilizer industry. Fertilizer industries are the central around the production of the nitrogenous fertilizers. Nitrogenous fertilizers basically beta, fertilizer industries which are the famous, which are manufacturing the nitrogenous fertilizers, that are the mainly urea manufacturing. Because even I belong to the agricultural family, and many of the students which are belonging to the agricultural family, they must know beta the fertilizer which they are giving to their crops, that comprise the urea. Okay, if the urea fertilizer they are using, what does this mean? That is the nitrogenous fertilizer. Okay, phosphoric fertilizer, ammonium phosphate. Okay, DAP, we are using this fertilizer in our field also, that is ammonium phosphate. Ammonium phosphate, these are the complex fertilizer which have the combination of nitrogen, phosphate, potash. Okay, so the fertilizer production is being carried out in which states? That is the Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Kerala. These contribute toward the half of the fertilizer production, more than half. Okay,